Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing some pepper spray. So this is by a company called POM Industries. Maximum strength pepper spray, what you need. All right, cool packaging. For self-defense only. Gonna use it on my homie tonight as a prank. Just playing, just playing. All right. Here we go. Ooh. Step 1, slide thumb between flip top and actuator. Step 2, press to fire. Release pressure to stop. Oh. This is cool. Little lanyard type clip. All right, I'm not going to test it out, but slide thumb between flip top and actuator press. Oh, that's cool. Easy mechanism. Not going to press it here, but let me know if you have one of these, how it works in the comment section, or I'll let you know once I do test this out. All right, hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.